Action.
Good kitty. Good kitty. Good kitty. Oh, hi, I didn't see all that. It's really dark outside, and I'm going to test this urban legend. It's Tippy Toes Monster. When it's really dark outside, if you close your eyes and say Tippy Toes 3 times, Tippy Toes Monster's going to come out and get you. Go eat your Tippy Toes. That's why I have him here. He's going to protect me. Okay, I'm going to start. Tippy Toes. Go, Tippy Toes. Tippy Toes.
这怎么念啊？这臭选择怎么弄呀？
I still got my tippy toes.